my channel. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful octopus with tracing. Connect all the dots and try to draw the beautiful octopus. This is very easy way to learn drawing. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I complete to draw the octopus. Now it's time to color it. I am using here beautiful sketch pen color to color this beautiful octopus. Learn the colors name with me. Black color, yellow color, purple color, grey color, deep green color, deep brown color, light pink color, light green color, deep blue color, orange color, light blue color and red color. Let's start to color this octopus. I am using here light blue color. And here I am using the light pink color. And now I am using the purple color. I will make this octopus purple color. Wow, the octopus is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it at home. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little kids. Wow!